Hello students, I am Prashant Nikam. Today we are going to start a chapter rational number. In this chapter we have to learn addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication, division of rational numbers, and important thing is properties of rational number. As we know that we have already studied this addition and subtraction in the last year, but again there is a revision. So there is one exercise 1.1 which is based on addition of rational number. So quickly we will revise addition and subtraction, and then we will start multiplication, division and properties. So see the exercise number 1.1 from R.D. Sharma. The question number 1 is add the following rational numbers. It's very simple. You know that while adding the rational numbers we have to use the rules of addition of integers and fraction. The first question is minus 5 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Denominators are same, so we have to just add the numerators. So here minus 5 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. So just we have to add the numerators. Minus 5 plus 3 upon 7. You know that minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So the answer is minus 2 upon 7. Please keep in mind that your final answer must be in simplest form. It must be in standard form. Next, we have to add minus 15 upon 4 and 7 upon 4. Here also denominators are same, so we have to just add the numerators. Minus 15 plus 7 upon 4. Minus 15 plus 7 is minus 8 upon 4, and the final answer will be minus 8 upon 4 means minus 2. Second question. In this second question again same command is there, add the following rational numbers. See here what is the difference. Difference is that here the rational numbers are having different denominators, and you know that if denominators are not same we have two options. Either we can convert them into like fractions, or we can take their cross products. So let's solve this question. 3 upon 4 and minus 5 upon 8. We have to add these numbers. 3 upon 4 plus minus 5 upon 8. So here denominators are not same. So you can either take cross products, or you can convert these rational numbers with same denominator. So see here the denominators are 4 and 8. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So let's make the denominator same. 3 into 2, 4 into 2 plus minus 5 upon 8. 3 into 2 is 6 upon 8 plus minus 5 upon 8. Now denominators are same, we can add the numerators. 6 plus minus 5. 6 plus minus 5 is positive 1. So the final answer is 1 upon 8. Next question. 5 upon minus 9 and 7 upon 3. Here also we can solve this question either by taking the cross products or by converting them into like fraction. See here we have to add 5 upon minus 9 plus 7 upon 3. Before operating the rational numbers we have to note that the rational numbers must be in standard form. So here 5 upon minus 9, it is not in the standard form, so we can write as a minus 5 upon 9 plus 7 upon 3. Now we can either take cross products or we can convert them into like fraction. So see here the LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. So let's make the denominator as a 9. So minus 5 upon 9 plus, to convert 3 into 9 we have to multiply it by 3. So let's multiply numerator as well as denominator by 3. So it will be minus 5 upon 9 plus 21 upon 9. Now denominators are same, we have to just add the numerators. Minus 5 plus 21 upon 9. So see here the sum of minus 5 and 21 is 16, positive 16 upon 9, and our final answer must be in simplest form. See here this answer is already in simplest form because there is no any common factor. If you want you can convert this into mixed form. So 16 upon 9 means 9 ones are 9, remainder is 7, divisor as it is, that is answer is 1 as an integer, 7 upon 9. Next question number 3 is simplify. in this question, again we have to add the given numbers. So the first number is 8 upon 9 and we have to add with minus 11 upon 6. So here denominators are not same, so either you can take the cross products or you can convert them into like fraction. So take the LCM of 6 and 9. The LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. So we have to convert these numbers with denominator 18. So to convert 9 into 18, we have to multiply it by 2. And to convert 6 into 18, we have to multiply by 3. So the product of 8 and 2 is 16 upon 18 plus minus 33 upon 18. Now let's add. Denominators are same now, so we can add the numerators. 16 plus minus 33 upon 18. Now add 16 plus minus 33. You know that how to add the integers with opposite sign. The sum of 16 and minus 33 is minus 17. 18 as it is. So the final answer is minus 17 upon 18. Next question is 3 plus 5 upon minus 7. So 3 we can write it as a 3 upon 1, and we know that while operating the rational number must be in standard form. So you can write this 5 upon minus 7 as a minus 5 upon 7. Now again you can either use cross multiplication method or you can convert them into like fraction. So let's use here cross multiplication method. 3 into 7 is 21 plus 5 into 1 is 5. Since it is minus 5, the product will be minus 5. And now take the product of 1 and 7, which is 7. Now add 21 plus minus 5. The sum of 21 plus minus 5 is 16 upon 7. The answer is 16 upon 7. If you want, you can convert it into mixed form. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, remainder is 2 and divisor as it is. So the final answer is 2 as a integer, 2 upon 7. Here I am sending exercise 1.1. You can solve remaining questions, and if you have any doubt in any question, you can ask. Thank you.